ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಶೈಲಾ, 60th ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ. ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ.
रोचनो रोचमानः शोभनः शोभमानः कल्याणः. नमो नमो भवति जायमानोऽन्नः केतुर्षसामेत्यग्रे भागं देवेभ्यो विदधात्यायं प्रचन्द्रमा स्थिरति दीर्घमायुः.
ಶೈಲಾ, ನೀನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಬ್ಬ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನೀನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವಾಗ 60 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗೋಯ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಶೈಲಾ. ಚಿಕ್ಕನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಿ ದಿನ ಸಂತೋಷ
ಬಾಲಾಜಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಿ.
ಶತಮಾನಂ ಭವತಿ ಶತಾಯು ಪುರುಷಸ್ಯತೇಂದ್ರಿಯ ಆಯುಷ್ಯೇವೇಂದ್ರಿಯೇ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠತಿ. ಬಾಲಾಜಿಗೂ ನಿಮಗೂ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದಗಳು, ವೇದಾಶೀರ್ವಾದಗಳು. ಶುಭಮಸ್ತು.
ಶೈಲಾ, ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನೀನು 60 ತಲುಪಿದ್ರು ಇನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆನೇ ಇದೆಯಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಿಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಈ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ನೀನು 60ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 50ರಲ್ಲಿ 45ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಹುಮ್ಮಸ್ಸು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ. ನೀನು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂಜಾ ವಿಧಾನಗಳಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು, ವ್ರತಾದಿಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ಭಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ದೇವರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಯಸ್ಸೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ.
ಹಲೋ ಶೈಲಾ ಆಂಟಿ, ಹುಟ್ಟ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Shaila. You have been such a wonderful person. ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ನೀನು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಕಸಿನ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಹ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಶೈಲಾ ಅವರೇ. ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿ 6 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 60 ಕೌಂಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ನಮಗೇನು ನೀವು ಅದು ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 60 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಧ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಹಾಗೇ ಇರಿ, ಬಿ ಯಂಗ್, ಬಿ ಎನರ್ಜೆಟಿಕ್ and continue to have the positive outlook that you share in abundance. So wish you a very happy birthday. ಕೇವಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಅಥವಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಲಾಗಲ್ಲ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ, ಕಾಯ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ. ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಅಗೇನ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಶೈಲಾ, ಬಾಲಾಜಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಅ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಕಸಿನ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಸ್ಪೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು 60, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಡ್ ಯಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಥಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್. ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್. Need all your blessings for my good health, prosperity and success.
Happy birthday to the most loving and enthusiastic 16-year-old of our family.
16 going on 60.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Have a great day.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Dear Shaila Dodama, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Namaskara. Couple of years back we had attended Balaji's Sashabda Purti, I remember. We now welcome you to the 60s Club, Shaila. We pray to Lord Balaji to bless you both with lots of wealth and more importantly a very healthy life ahead. Sorry if somewhere I had reminded you about your age, Shaila. Bye.
Happy birthday, Shaila. Bye.
Happy birthday, Shaila.
I hope you have a wonderful day.
Happy 60th, Shaila. I can't believe you're 60. You don't appear like one and certainly don't behave like one. So have a wonderful birthday. Bye.
Hi Shaila, 60 and young. Always, it's wishing you a very, very happy 60th birthday. Wishing you health, happiness, prosperity and everything that you dream of. Shaila, you're a very great person and very special to me. And to the go-to person, especially when I started my life and started my career. The only person who stood by me is you. I always wish you health, happiness, peace, prosperity and everything you dream of. Am I happy? I am actually great and impressed to have a person like you in my life. So God bless and have a great 60th birthday and many more years to come. Cheers.
Hi Shaila, I love you as my dearest sister, and I love the way you are, and I just love your energy, and you are very inspiring, and I love the way you see life, and you have always been the go-to person to all of us, whether it's anything for that matter in T-Block family. Like we think of Shaila as the first person, as a go-to person, and Shaila, you have been one of the most wonderful persons, and I'm so blessed to have a sister like you, and I wish you this great 60th birthday is just the beginning of your first step as a first birthday of your life, and cheers Shaila, and happy birthday once again, happy 60th, and may God once again a very happy birthday Shaila. This is a personal note from me to you for thanking you for teaching me Saundarya Lahari, which I never expected I would learn in this life of mine. And my mother up sitting there will be blessing you with loads of love and pouring her blessings on you. And I can't thank enough for teaching me with so much of patience, and this was amazing. And today I can't be without telling Saundarya Lahari even one single day. I can't miss it, and thanks to you for that. And I just want loads and loads of happiness, good health and peace may be with you, and may all that your heart desires come right your way. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a great birthday. Great birthday.
Hi Shaila auntie. Happy birthday to you.
We miss you, and we hope that we're able to celebrate once the COVID stuff is over.
Yes, please come to New York soon. Have a great year and have lots of fun on your special day. Bye.
Hi Shaila auntie, happy birthday. Hope you have a great day. I hope everybody else is doing well and you're staying safe during all of this. Hopefully we'll meet in Bangalore or Houston or who knows where. In the meantime, take care. Have an amazing day.
Hi Shaila, many happy returns of the day. Sweet 16, happy birthday. For the energy that you have, an inspiration that you are. Okay, our big sister, our go-to sister, the torch bearer for all the traditions, Avva, ella follow ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. You're the only one who can guide us. So hats off to you. And it's sad that we are all not able to come and celebrate together. But yes, ee varsha ellardu postpone for the next year. We'll all be there. Treat kodod maribeda. Big bang will celebrate. But for now, have a great year, lovely years ahead. Amazing person you are. Thank you so much for what you are to all of us, for guiding us. Okay, take care. Love you loads. Be safe. Bye. Bye.
Hi, good morning, Shaila. How are you? How are you feeling today? Is it different from yesterday? I don't think so. It's a great milestone. Wishing you many happy returns of the day. Keep growing younger like this. Be happy always. Keep good health. Enjoy yourselves. And sorry we are not able to be there.
Happy birthday, Shaila auntie.
There you go. Yeah. So sorry for that, but have a blast, have a great day with everybody there. Elrigu kelde anta heಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. Okay. So happy birthday once again and talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.
Prerna is not there. ಅವಳು ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಇನ್ನ. So sorry. So from on her behalf also, happy birthday ಕಣೆ. Take care.
Have a great day. Bye.
Hi Shaila auntie. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shaila auntie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Shaila auntie.
Happy birthday, Shaila auntie.
ಷಷ್ಠಿ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Bye.
Bye.
ನಮ್ಮ ಟಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ ಪಟ್ಟ ಪಡೆದ ನಮ್ಮ ಶೈಲಜಾ ಬಾಲಾಜಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Shaila.
Hi Shailata, happy 60th birthday. Loads of love from both of us. Have a wonderful year.
And stay a teenager by heart all the time.
Yes.
We love you. Bye.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే అమ్మా. 100 కాలం అందరూ సరిగ్గా ఆరోగ్యంగా నెమ్మదిగా సంతోషంగా అందరినీ పెట్టిండి వీళ్ళు పాపలాదిగా చాలా సంతోషం. చక్కగా చేసుకో, అంతా భారీగా చేసుకో.
Happy birthday, Shailaja.
Happy birthday, Shaila.
Many,
Be always happy.
many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिया सखे, जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिया सखे, शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं, जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिया सखे, शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं, प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी, प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी, ईश्वरः सदा त्वां च रक्षतु, ईश्वरः सदा त्वां च रक्षतु, पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमार्जय, पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमार्जय, जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं, जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं, जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिया सखे, शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं, सर्वदा मुदं, सर्वदा मुदं.
ಹಲೋ ಶೈಲಾ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಈಗ ಅದೇ ನಿಮಗೆ 60 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟನೇ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯಿಂದ, ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಿಂದ, ಶಾಂತಿಯಿಂದ, ಸುಖವಾಗಿ, ಆರಾಮವಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಕೂಡಿ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಹಾರೈಕೆಮ್ಮ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಗುಡ್ ಲಕ್ ಟು ಯು.
Many happy returns of the day, madam. Wish you long happy and healthy life.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Shaila auntie. Have a good day.
Happy birthday, Shaila.
Shaila ಅವರೇ, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Shaila auntie.
Oh, happy birthday, auntie.
ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಶೈಲನಿಗೆ. ನಾವು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿ 1982 39 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಮದುವೆ ಆದಾಗಿಂದ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ, and very very happy that we are leading a comfortable life and our children are settled, and because you have really given a lot of things to the family. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆನೂ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. Thank you very much. All the best.
Happy birthday, Auntie. I love you.
Happy birthday, Amma. It's your 60th birthday, and thank you for everything. You're one of the strongest persons that I know in your own way. You've come a very long way. We are very proud. Good for you. So have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Amma. Happy 60th. And it's almost like 10 years, or rather 11 years we are together. And I should say both of us have come a very very long way with each other. And you're stuck with me for life. So have fun. I love you so much. Mwah.
Love you. Here's yours.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.
Hey Amma, happy birthday. Have a great day.
Hi Amma, wish you a very happy 60th birthday. Happy birthday to the most energetic and enthusiastic, the strongest force, my backbone, my best friend. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for keeping all of us together as a family. We miss you. We love you so much. Happy birthday,
Mama.
Have a great day.